sayang ang opportunities. Do you know that only 20% of Pinoy entrepreneurs are confident with their negotiation skills? Anak, ang negotiation ay isa sa mga pinaka-importanting skills na kailangan mo sa business. Yun nga lang, hindi naman kasi ito itunuturo sa school, di ba? Now let me tell you Alma's story. Noong 2019, nakakuha siya ng chance na mag-supply ng product sa isang malaking department store chain. Syempre, sobrang excited siya. It was her first big break. Pero nung meeting na, binigay nila ang terms nila. At napakababa pala ng margin. Halos maging charity work na lang ang business niya. And before, she would just say yes to the opportunity. But this time, she did things differently. Nag-research siya about the company and their competitors. She prepared her numbers. Tapos, kinausap niya sila. Hindi bilang isang desperate na supplier, kundi bilang isang valuable partner. Alam mo ba anak, ang secret sa negotiation is about finding a win-win situation. Ang lesson is, may tatlong keys sa isang effective na negotiation. Una, preparation. I-research natin ang kausap natin. Pangalawa, pakikinig. Understand what they really need, hindi lang what they say. Malalim yun. Pangatlo, value proposition. Explain how you can solve their problems. Remember anak ha, hindi ka namamalimos. You're offering value. Kaya dapat alam mo ang worth mo. That's how to be business-minded, Pinoy.